Toyota launches exclusive GR Supra A91-CF Edition June 2th 2021. Limited to only 600, GR Supra A91-CF Edition is exclusive to North America. Bold, functional carbon fiber body kit and duckbill rear spoiler complement Supra's curves. Special edition forged 19 matte black wheels and red calipers with Toyota Supra logo. Distinctive red and black Alcantara, leather interior with unique stitching details. Complimentary 1-year membership to the National Auto Sport Association, featuring a high-performance driving event with expert instruction. Plano, Texas. To sports car enthusiasts the world over, the Supra nameplate is synonymous with Toyota performance. This latest generation keeps finding ways to blend speed, power and style with the introduction of the GR Supra A91-CF Carbon Fiber Edition. Limited to just 600 vehicles, this 2022 special edition is the most exclusive Mark V Supra to date. It offers all the style, performance and technology that drivers expect, with an obsessive attention to detail that fits a racing legend. With the bold, sleek look of carbon fiber accents and a duckbill spoiler, this eye-grabbing new limited-run special edition is sure to sell fast. The 5th generation Supra shook the automotive world when it arrived on the scene in 2019. It put pure driving fun above all else with a focus on performance specs and relentless track testing. Like the rest of Supra's 5th generation lineup, the A91-CF Edition serves up brilliantly balanced handling and G-force generating power. In this case, 382 horsepower from a turbocharged 3-liter inline-6, delivers a 0 to 60 time of just 3.9 seconds. This special edition takes the performance formula even further with an array of carbon fiber elements, hence the CF in its name. The GR Supra A91-CF Edition features new carbon fiber front splitter and larger canards, while its carbon fiber side rockers define the lower edge along the sides. Around back, the carbon fiber treatment continues, with a duckbill spoiler catching the air up top and lower canards doing so down below. This aero kit isn't just for looks. Its functional purpose improves downforce and stability during both everyday drives and hot laps around the local track. Additionally, unique 19-inch wheels sport a matte black texture that complement A91-CF Edition's available matte grey phantom paint color. A Absolute Zero white and nitro yellow round out the color choices. Supra's already incredible features remain standard, including an aggressive 8-speed ZF8 transmission with paddle shifters, adaptive variable sport suspension and active rear sport differential, and front Brembo brakes with red calipers and emblazoned silver Toyota Supra logo come standard. GR Supra A91-CF Edition brings an exclusive, refined interior as well, with a red and black theme throughout its Alcantara and leather-trimmed cabin. It includes red stitching details on standard 14-way power-adjustable, heated sport seats, along with carbon fiber interior trim, leather-wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel, and sport pedals. Pricing will be announced in the coming months, with dealer availability expected this fall. Legendary performance with spec variety. It takes a relentless spirit to win at the 24 Hours of Le Mans race. Known as the Grand Prix of endurance and efficiency, just completing the race is an achievement. Toyota Gazoo Racing has taken the crown for the past 3 years. The same determination that fuels those wins goes into every GR Supra. In 2021, Toyota Gazoo Racing kept the pedal down and boosted output of the Supra's turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 from 335 to 382 horsepower, a 14% increase after just 1 year on the market. Torque rose from 365 pounds-foot at 1,600 to 4,500 revolutions per minute to 368 pounds-foot at 1,800 to 5,000 revolutions per minute. The Supra 3.0 chassis was also tweaked heading into its second year of production. Lightweight aluminium braces were added to increase lateral rigidity, along with front and rear bump stops and new damper tuning. Revised programming for the electric power steering, EPS, adaptive variable suspension, AVS, vehicle stability control, VSC, and active differential made the Supra more stable through quick transitions, such as compound turns. But making changes to Supra wasn't enough for the GR team. The 2021 Supra 2.0 was also added to the lineup and gave customers an intermediate model between the Toyota 86 and the Supra 3.0. With a 2.0-litre inline 4-cylinder engine, this Supra 2.0 shares much of its technology with the 3.0-litre inline 6, including a twin-scroll turbo, direct fuel injection and continuously variable timing on both the intake and exhaust camshafts. The variable intake valve lift system adjusts intake valve timing and duration. The bottom line is 255 horsepower at 5,000 to 6,500 revolutions per minute and a stout 295 pounds-foot peak torque at 1,550 to 4,400 revolutions per minute, launching the 2.0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds. The Supra A91-CF Edition is one more way that the obsessive gearheads on the GR team keep things interesting. Additional changes across the Supra lineup for 2022 include standard heated seats in the 3.0 grade and a new red interior for the 3.0 premium grade. All models with premium audio add full-screen Apple CarPlay AIR-registered compatibility. Complimentary 1-year NASA membership. Every 2022 GR Supra comes with a complimentary 1-year membership to the National Auto Sport Association, NASA. As part of this membership, GR Supra owners will enjoy benefits like a free high-performance driving event, HPDE, and discounted admission to NASA-sanctioned events. The HPDE program is NASA's high-performance driving school on an enclosed road course. It's designed for licensed drivers in street cars like the GR Supra. It consists of an all-day course with classroom instruction, on-track driving and opportunities to connect with other sports car enthusiasts. Instructors are provided free for all beginner drivers. Tech safety at Supra speed. Along with the rest of the Supra family, the GR Supra A91-CF Edition delivers awesome entertainment and convenience with an 8.8-inch touchscreen with touchpad control, navigation, user-friendly wireless Apple CarPlay compatibility, AM/FM, and Sirius XM registered all-access 3-month trial. The 500 watts 12-speaker JBL registered audio system is standard. All GR Supras come equipped with a number of intelligent safety features, including a pre-collision system, with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with steering assist, automatic high beams, and speed limit information. A safety technology package is also available for MY22 on the 2.0 and 3.0 grades. It includes dynamic radar cruise control, full speed, blind spot monitor, BSM, rear cross traffic alert, RCTA, parking sensors with emergency braking function, navigation, 12-speaker 500-watt JBL audio system, wireless Apple CarPlay AIR-registered compatible, iOS only. Supra connected services, such as remote services, remote maintenance, automatic emergency call, real-time traffic information, stolen vehicle recovery and map updates. The driver's assist package will be available as an option on the MY22 3.0 Premium and A91-CF Edition. It includes dynamic radar cruise control, full speed, blind spot monitor, BSM, rear cross traffic alert, RCTA, parking sensors with emergency braking function. All GR Supra grades offer access to Toyota connected services featuring emergency calling, roadside assistance, remote control lock, ventilation, real-time traffic information, map updates and Toyota Supra Online, services available online, app available for iOS only, subscription required. For additional upcoming Toyota product news, check out the Toyota New Product Showcase page.